I'm extremely glad that I had the opportunity to work with an enthusiastic and great team, and we have to succeed.
Anything to do that could help take care of waste material natin and convert it into some form of energy at makakabigay din ng trabaho, lalo-lalo na sa probinsya.
Bigger additional value, not only about the money, but it was about some effort to do something more, that we start to spoke about how we can solve problem with plastic waste.
Sa tingin niyo po ba, sir, malaki po ang maitutulong nito sa makadagdag sa pagpapaunlad ng ating bansa?
Makadagdag ano po?
Pagpapaunlad po sa ating bansa?
Ayaw, kasi kung sakaling magagamit yan as a form of energy, alam mo, dependent na masyado sa oil. Makakatulong po, makaka-reduce ng pag-dibili natin oil. At the same time, nakakatulong din sa pagkalinis ng ating environment.
Through our emerging reach, we enabled a large number of entrepreneurs from Slovakia and the Philippines to exchange experiences and explore the possibilities of cooperation and investment in various business sectors.
And after 10 years, when we show something to the other, like Siemens company, mother company, choose us as one of the best company which solve the problems with technology problems with mixed plastic waste.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely happy that today we can present to you a word unique, and I'm extremely proud that it is mainly a Slovak word, patent development with Slovak inventors and experts in cooperation with the world giant company Siemens, which put into this technology this high-level automatic equipment.
We have finally reached a stage where the EUREX Eco 1 device is one of the few devices for chemical recycling anywhere in the world.
Your people know much more than others about these difficulties and issues with the plastics. To be shown to everybody that we find a final solution, not only separate, not only collect, yes, but final solution to convert to something interesting.
A semi-liquid material passes through the extruder head, ball valve and siphon into the reactor, where the thermal degradation process continues. The plant uses its own processed gas, a byproduct of chemical recycling. Continuous mixing improves the heat transfer from the cladding to the material mass. The reactor is equipped with a stirrer and several sensors, which keep the thermochemical process under control. Gaseous hydrocarbons are diverted to the reflux condenser to cool. The second and third columns produce the gasoline-water fraction called light fraction. The output from the third tower is technological gas, which didn't condense even at a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. This innovative technological solution represents the third step in the process of utilizing difficult-to-recycle waste plastics.
About 40% of it gets recycled. But did you know there are other ways to get rid of plastic waste besides just mechanical recycling? Thermochemical processes can turn plastic waste into new materials. One company leading the change in this area is EUREX Energy. They teamed up with chemical engineers and experts from Siemens to create an automatic line for chemical recycling of plastic waste using thermal processes. The unique about EUREX Energy's technology is that it's a 3-level process. Here's how it works. In the first stage, mixed plastic waste gets crushed into small pieces and then melted in an extruder at around 250 to 300 degrees Celsius. In the second stage, a chemical reaction at 400